In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own hatch design in AutoCAD. If you've ever wanted to create a unique pattern or customize your designs, creating a custom hatch can be an invaluable tool to add to your skill set. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to craft your own hatch pattern from start to finish. Let's get started. First, imagine you've got your design ready, perhaps drawn out just the way you want it. This is going to be the base for your custom hatch. The first key step here is to turn this design into a block. This process is important because blocks in AutoCAD help us treat multiple objects as a single entity, which makes applying them as a hatch much simpler. You'll want to be sure everything in your design is included when you create your block to avoid any issues later on. With your block now created, we're going to use a command in AutoCAD called superhatch. This handy feature allows you to use images, blocks, and more as a hatch. Begin by typing superhatch into the command line and hit enter. When prompted, select the block option. This tells AutoCAD that you want to use a block as the basis for your hatch. Next, select the block you just made. This is the centerpiece of our hatch creation process. Once you've selected it, you'll need to choose a boundary where your new hatch should appear. In our case, we're going to place it within a rectangle. Position it carefully over the rectangle to get it aligned just how you like it. This step ensures that the pattern follows your specifications exactly within the desired area. Once positioned, keep pressing enter to continue through the hatch setup options. AutoCAD will prompt you with options to adjust the scale, rotation, and other settings at this stage. But for our purposes, we're sticking with the default settings. That means no need to modify the scale or flip through rotations, because we've set everything up just as needed initially. Now, for the final touch, click inside the rectangle where you want your hatch to generate. AutoCAD will work its magic, and voila! A custom hatch design that mirrors your initial block will appear. This technique is a powerful way to add a creative flair to your projects and make them uniquely yours. And there you have it. You've successfully made your own hatch design in AutoCAD. Practice these steps and start experimenting with different patterns and ideas to enrich your AutoCAD projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.